Welcome to today's video on ChatGPT Prompts for Writing. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Book Marketing and Book Promotion Tools Review channel. Our goal is to provide you videos about book marketing tools, book promotion tools, and videos about how AI tools can help you as an author. If you're not familiar, ChatGPT is an AI language model that can assist in generating text based on your prompts. It's like having your own personal writing assistant. But how does ChatGPT work? Well, it's trained on a massive dataset of text and can generate text based on input from users. You simply enter a writing prompt or question, and ChatGPT uses its language model to generate a response. It's really that simple. The possibilities truly seem to be endless with how ChatGPT can help you. It doesn't matter if you want ChatGPT prompts for writing a book, ChatGPT prompts for writing a blog posts, or ChatGPT for some other writing use, ChatGPT pretty much has you covered. Now, let's talk about how to craft effective prompts to get the best results from ChatGPT. The key is to be as specific and clear as possible with your prompts. Instead of a vague idea like write a short story, try something more specific like write a short story about a detective solving a mysterious murder case. The more detail and specificity in your prompt, the better chance you have of getting a response that fits your needs. Another tip is to give ChatGPT some context. If you're writing a short story, provide some background information on the characters or setting. This will help ChatGPT generate more relevant responses. I am going to post a link to an article below this video that has a ton of ChatGPT prompts that you can use to get started. Another tool you can use to help craft the most effective ChatGPT prompts for writing is AIPRM for ChatGPT. This free Google Chrome plugin, and I will leave a link to it in the description below, has tons of ChatGPT prompts in it already. These have been created by users, and using this tool can really help you speed up your time when you're trying to create the right prompt to get the best result from ChatGPT. Here are 3 examples of using AIPRM to help you with ChatGPT prompts for writing.
Hey, so before we get into some examples of ChatGPT prompts for writing, we need to address a change made to AIPRM within the last few weeks. So on March 16th of 2023, AIPRM introduced a premium plan to their offerings. Now what we've noticed is that some of the features that were available prior to March 16th are now only available within the premium plan. And we noticed this specifically with these areas here, tone and writing style. So prior to March 16th, there were many choices here under tone, many choices here under writing style, but as you can see now, in order to get access to those additional options, you have to upgrade for more. So here's the thing, even with these limitations in place, and I'm sure that AIPRM has a ton of benefits there if you want to get the paid version, but even with some of these restrictions that have been put onto the free version, it is still an absolutely amazing tool, because using AIPRM will save you so much time, because it not only has thousands of prompts from what I hear, and these prompts are added every single day, but this really helps you know which prompts are ones you may want to pay attention to. You can sort by views, votes, and even your latest updates. So what I've done here is I have mine sorted, for example, by the prompts that have gotten the top votes. Let me show you what that really means. So when you see a prompt here, you see some icons here. This is telling you how many times this prompt has actually been viewed. This is telling you how many times the prompt has actually been used, and this is giving you the actual number of thumbs up that the prompt has received. And this is based off of the view that we're looking at now. This is all the prompts within AIPRM. So let's go with our first example. So the first example that we're going to ask AIPRM to help us out with, let's just say a simple outline. So what we're going to do is over here in the search field, we're going to type in the word outline. Here we go. All right, so we typed in the word outline, and it has given us many choices, many different types of outlines out there. You can have a one-click course creator outline, uh, email marketing series outlines. I mean, just tons of them. As you can see here, there are over 71 outline related prompts that have been generated here. What we're going to go with here is just a simple book outline. So let's go with an ebook outline generator. And we're going to enter in our prompt, we're going to enter in our topic, and let's just say that our topic here is on vertical gardening. I'm not going to do anything with the tone or the writing style, and I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to start writing. Now I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Okay, great. So it has finished writing, and as you see here, I mean, this is a pretty good outline. So imagine you wanted to write a book on vertical gardening. Well, ChatGPT through the help of AIPRM has helped us get a book outline for vertical gardening. So that's just one simple use case that you have right there. Okay, so we're going to go with our second example, and we're going to get AIPRM to help us write a blog post. So I'm going to type blog here in the search field. Okay, I'm going to type blog here into the search field, and as you can see, we have 188 prompts dedicated specifically to helping us write blogs. So let's go through here, and I'm going to actually use this example here, long form blog post. So let's say that we want to continue with our theme of creating a vertical gardening, and we're going to go with vertical gardening for beginners. Okay. So here we go, and we're going to go ahead and let it do its thing. We're going to do a quick pause here, and we'll come back when this is done. Okay, so look, we are at the end of this article, and I think you'll agree this is a pretty good start for an article. You can edit it and use it for how you see fit. Put this on a website. This might be after you modify it if you wish to. Maybe this could be a guest post. I mean, we went with the book example and outline in our first example. Maybe this might be something that can make it into that book if you wanted to do a book on vertical gardening. So now we're going to go with our third example, and you know what? We are going to get our ChatGPT prompt for writing example to be related to social media posts. Getting ChatGPT to help us create social media posts. So here in the search field, let's just type in social media. And as you see here, we have about 58 prompts that are associated with social media. So I want to go with this example here. 30 social media posts and image suggestions with one click. So let's just say here the prompt is asking us for the business name and type of business. So I've got another screen that I'm working on, and I'm just going to copy what I wrote here and paste it here. So we're going to say Joe's vertical gardening shop is a vertical gardening shop. I know, very original, but I'm just putting this here to help us with this example. Okay, again, we're going to let it run, we're going to pause it, and we'll come back when it finishes running. Okay, so here we go. Now, if you wanted this to continue writing, because as you see, it stopped at 9 because ChatGPT has a limit of around, I've heard around 500 words or so before it actually stops. If you wanted to continue, all you would have to do is hit continue, and it's going to put in here continue writing please, and it would actually pick up either at a duplicate of 9 and then go on to 10, or start at day 10. And this, out of all of the examples that we gave you, was the most impressive to me, because I don't know about you, but coming up with social media ideas on a consistent basis can be a challenge. And that's just for me. I don't know if that's for you. So what I love here is that it not only gives you an idea, but it gives you a pretty well thought out way to not only come up with a content idea, but what I love about this is that it's showing you how you can give an idea and how you can put your brand into this post as well to help your brand stand out, in addition to giving you some good content. And you even have ideas here for an image. So you can always go out to your favorite stock media site to find an image like this if you want to, or you can even use some of the AI artwork generation platforms out there. A very popular one is Midjourney, and believe it or not, there are AIPRM prompts associated with helping you create Midjourney prompts for your artwork. So just lots of different ideas here. So we're going to go back here to this screen and just kind of wrap things up and just let you know that we really appreciate you watching this video about ChatGPT prompts for writing. And we hope that you can see that one of the best ways to get the right prompts for ChatGPT is by leveraging the work of others. So we found one of the best ways to get this head start and leverage what's already out there is by using this free tool, AIPRM. So if you're using ChatGPT at all, we would highly recommend adding this tool into your arsenal and just taking it out for a spin. So there are many prompts in here for you to use, and we just went through 3 simple examples. And if you can recall, in example 3, I was telling you, even with with some of the AI artwork websites out there, like Midjourney, for example, and as you see here on the screen, you can use this tool to help you create the prompts to help you get some amazing images using these tools. So, question, have you ever used AIPRM before? Or do you have some ChatGPT prompts that you like? If so, love it if you would just share those in the comments below. And if you've not done so already, it would mean a lot to us if you would please like this video, subscribe to our channel as well. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.